Hi, boys and girls. We're gathered together again. We're going to play a game in our math books today called Broken Calculator. You might wonder, what in the world is Broken Calculator? Well, when we play Broken Calculator, we're going to give you a number and you have to pretend like one of the keys, one of the buttons on the calculator is broken and you can't touch it. So you have to come up with other ways of making the number without touching that broken button. We know that the button is not really broken, but we just pretend. So I'm going to show you how to play that today. Here we go. Okay, so what you're looking at is the student screen for the McGraw-Hill Everyday Mathematics. You've seen this before. You've been here to play some games before, and you've explored your e-toolkit. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click on your e-toolkit. And that's the big green button. You're also going to want to open your math book to page 4. Page 4. You're going to see some words at the top of the page that say Broken Calculator. Okay, I will help show you an example. In your toolkit, we actually have a calculator. It can be found right here where my mouse is hovering over. Click on the calculator. You will see a calculator like the ones that we have at school. Okay? So find the calculator button right here and make sure that you have page 4 open and ready. You're going to be using this calculator as well as page 4 to do your assignment today. All right, looking at page 4, I see an example in the first box. The example says, show the number 17. Well, I know how to show the number 17 really easily. 1, 7, right? I just click on the buttons to show the number. If I want to erase the number, I click the C button, and that means clear. Okay, so C means clear, and it takes the number away you just made. Well, our broken key is number 7. So we are going to pretend like number 7 is broken, so we can't touch it. We cannot touch it, okay? So you have to pretend with me, okay? Now, we have to show the number 17, but we cannot touch the 7. We cannot use that button. So, how do we make the number 17 without touching the 7? Well, we could use adding. We could use subtracting. So, let's try that. If I do 15, 1, 5, plus, click on the plus button. You won't see anything happen, but it's already there. Plus 2, and the 15 went away, and the 2 showed up. That's normal. Then you press this big button that says equals, and that will tell you the answer. So again, I made 17 without touching the 7. Let me try that again. Let me show you one more time. So I'm going to clear it. I thought of a math problem that helped me get to the answer of 17, and I did not have to touch the 7. 15 plus 2 equals 17. I did it without touching the 7. That's how you play Broken Calculator. Let's go ahead and do number 1 together. Click on your clear button. Okay, number 1 says, show the number 3. Guess what? Our broken key is the number 3, so we cannot use that button. We have to come up with other ways to make the number 3 without touching the 3. I've thought of one. I can do 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals. I got the number 3 without touching the 3 button. Let's try another one. I'm going to clear this out. I'm going to do a subtraction problem. I can get the number 3 by starting with 5 minus 2 equals, guess what? I got the number 3 without touching the 3 button. So that's what your job is today on page 4. You need to come up with 3 ways to make the number that they're asking you to make without touching the key or the button that they are asking you not to use. That's the broken button. Good luck. I know you're going to do a great job. Thanks, boys and girls, for listening, and I hope you enjoy playing Broken Calculator. Bye-bye.